This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volkswagen Jetta versus the Polo. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your lifestyle. The Jetta, a compact sedan, generally offers more passenger and cargo room, making it ideal for families or longer trips. In contrast, the Polo, a subcompact hatchback, excels in urban environments with its smaller footprint and nimble handling. Think about your daily driving habits and space requirements. When it comes to performance, the Jetta often features larger engines, providing more horsepower and torque for highway cruising. For example, some Jetta models offer a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. The Polo, however, typically prioritizes fuel efficiency, especially with its smaller engines, making it a great choice for city driving and saving on gas. Consider if you need more power for longer journeys or better economy for shorter, frequent trips. Inside, the Jetta provides a more spacious cabin, particularly noticeable in the rear legroom and trunk capacity, which can be around 14 cubic feet. This makes it comfortable for adult passengers and ample for luggage. The Polo, while smaller, offers a surprisingly versatile interior for its class, with fold-down seats to expand cargo space. Both vehicles come equipped with modern infotainment systems, including touchscreens and smartphone integration, ensuring a connected drive. In terms of value, the Polo typically has a lower starting price, making it a more budget-friendly option upfront. Both the Jetta and Polo offer excellent safety features, including multiple airbags and advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities: space and power versus agility and economy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.